Hi, I'm Marie and this is a preview of my picture plant watercolour tutorial. First I paint the background. So with a really thick mixture of watercolour paint, using a large brush, I evenly cover the whole of the background first. And then once it's completely dry, I find it easier to sketch in all of the markings of the veins on each plant first, before I begin to paint. This allows me to paint in the veins more fluidly, without having to keep stopping and thinking about where they are going or the shape or pattern of them. So using a small brush and just the tip of it, I follow along the markings that I've sketched in and complete the surface pattern. I then continue to paint the remainder of the tube of the picture plant, making sure that I get plenty of form in it by using different tones and hues of my green. If you'd like to paint this tutorial, you can find it inside my Members Club, the link is below, and if you'd like to try out a free tutorial first, there's also a link for my free Peony tutorial so that you can have a go and see if this style of painting suits you. So once I finish the first plant, I move over and continue to paint in the second one in the same way. Always being mindful of the form of the plant and its tubular shape, and making sure that I use the darker hue of green where there is more shadow, and my very lightest green where the plant is receiving much more light. By painting in this way, I'm creating the rounded surface of the picture plant, as if I use the same hue all over, it would make my painting look very flat. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial preview. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of my tips and technique videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you for the next one.